Well, for those of you who are wondering what kind of damage a dust devil could do, we had a dust devil hit this side of the house, and it was damaged to a bunch of the panels. One of them is completely broken, two of them have been knocked off, and I have to rebuild this frame before we leave. It's going to be fun, it's going to be interesting, but not much fun and not very interesting. Sometimes things go wrong. The lead up for getting ready to go to our big event in Pennsylvania has definitely had a few things go wrong. First of all, I blew out a tire on the back of the truck. Then I had to replace the front tires because they were too old and the treads were starting to crack, not just on the sidewall but along the center. So that got done. The generator just started acting up, and now I have to take it apart and try to figure out what's going on. I can't leave without our house sitter having a source of reliable power. More complications. So that's the little bit of upset we had trying to get ready to go. Don't have time for it, but we have to make time for it. So that's what we're doing. We're ready to leave today, but we can't leave. I have to take that generator apart. And by the way, we weren't supposed to have rain. We've had rain. Seems like everything's going against us right now. Well, thanks for watching. We'll talk with you later. Bye. And that right over there is a brand new generator. I spent several days working on the other one. I got a number of problems knocked down, but the last one just stymied me. Out of time to go.